Yeah. Working in conjunction with Local Land Services, they brought up this project to plant more trees out on Little Llangothlin here, this nature reserve. Out here today with the Banbai crew and a couple of volunteer workers, mate. So all up we're putting together 1,200 trees, mainly peppermint. Yeah, mate, she's going to be a long day of planting, but, you know, it's something that is going to help the environment in the long run, so, yeah, it's good.
When the rain's going to start.
Lisa will teach me to do mugs when I first went there.
Because it's meant to be friable and already beautifully prepared. So you push it in the ground, open it up in there, drop your seedling down, and then
Starting.
do it in the buggy.
Radio.
And then the rest will be on planting.
That's good.
Push it down, get your wombat, chuck it in, move the hole like that. So with these rain catcher mats, they've got 2 arrows on it, where they link up like that, like so. Just like that.
This is a significant place for the Banbai people. There used to be corroborees held here. It was mainly the Banbai mob. As kids, me and my brother Lee and cousins and all that would come out here and we'd have a picnic and, you know, just exploring as kids, you know, see what was out there. And we've got scarred trees and you just got to be careful digging up because you might dig up artefacts. Getting out on country, bringing them back out on country, and then getting the boys like to know what tree is good for what. Shields, woomeras, you know, like all them, and just to know what tree. Just getting back to nature and know what's growing out here and having that freedom of what the old fellas had. The reason why we're doing it is to stop the overgrowth. A lot of the tree, well, the canopy of the tree stops a lot of weeds coming through too. It's good for the environment. And honestly, we've taken so much from the environment, maybe now it's time to get back.